One of the main ways we customize our site is by changing the look and feel of the site, kind of the overall skin. And so to do that, we have to go to themes. So here on the left, hover over appearance and then click on themes. And so themes is what really determines the look and feel of your website again. And there's paid themes, there's free themes. We're going to go ahead and get a free theme. So just click right here, add new theme. And then here in the search bar, the name of the theme we want to use is called Fukasawa. Hopefully I'm pronouncing that right. So type that in, hit enter, and you can click on it to have a live preview of kind of what it's going to look like with your current content. Unfortunately, we don't have any real content, just dummy content. So this is what it would look like with the dummy content, but we're going to make it look a lot different like that. We want to make it look more like this image with these different portfolio items showing kind of like Pinterest style. But this is what it will look like with our current content. So we're just going to go ahead and hit install and activate. And now if I click up here to see what our actual site looks like, it has the Fukasawa theme activated, but again it only has our dummy content in there. That's why it still looks pretty blank, but now we'll begin customizing this specific theme.